Amatemo kurwase kaunti ya Kisii eyo omwanobo aburite kurwase skuru ya Ichuni niko bagendete goichanira engane yo asogo ikabono igabataramanya aso omwanobo ale kolengana na barabo niko babere bakomochia oboteneneri we skuru yo ase ogotababwate sia koligia omwanobo.
The administration was reluctant to explain how the student managed to disappear from school. They have CCTV cameras in school, but the cameras, to our surprise, were not working on that day. At some point they are working, but we could not establish if the child was in school at that moment. So basically what we are trying to say as a family, we are traumatized about this missing child, and the school administration is not assisting us to find a solution of getting this child. The administration is very arrogant, is very uncooperative, which we, through the family, we suspect there is something malicious that they are covering concerning the missing of Purity, a Form 3 student. So we are asking the relevant authorities, the security, and the Ministry of Education to come on board and assist us find this missing